Let's learn state birds and animals of India in this video. Andhra Pradesh. Animal black buck. Bird rose-ringed parakeet. Arunachal Pradesh. Animal mithun. Bird great hornbill. Assam. Animal one-horned rhinoceros. Bird white-winged wood duck. Bihar. Animal gaur. Bird house sparrow. Chhattisgarh. Animal wild water buffalo. Bird hill myna. Goa. Animal gaur. Bird yellow-throated bulbul. Gujarat. Animal Asiatic lion. Bird greater flamingo. Haryana. Animal black buck. Bird black francolin. Himachal Pradesh. Animal snow leopard. Bird western tragopan. Jharkhand. Animal elephant. Bird koel. Karnataka. Animal elephant. Bird Indian roller. Kerala. Animal elephant. Bird great hornbill. Madhya Pradesh. Animal swamp deer. Bird paradise flycatcher. Maharashtra. Animal giant squirrel. Bird green imperial pigeon. Manipur. Animal sange. Bird Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Meghalaya. Animal clouded leopard. Bird hill myna. Mizoram. Animal Sumatran siro. Bird Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Nagaland. Animal mithun. Bird Blight's tragopan. Odisha. Animal sambar. Bird Indian roller. Punjab. Animal black buck. Bird northern goshak. Rajasthan. Animal chinkara. Bird Indian bustard. Sikkim. Animal red panda. Bird blood pheasant. Tamil Nadu. Animal Nilgiri tar. Bird emerald dove. Telangana. Animal spotted deer. Bird Indian roller. Tripura. Animal Fayer's langur. Bird green imperial pigeon. Uttar Pradesh. Animal swamp deer. Bird Saro's crane. Uttarakhand. Animal musk deer. Bird Himalayan monal. West Bengal. Animal fishing cat. Bird white-throated kingfisher. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Animal dugong. Bird Andaman wood pigeon. Chandigarh. Animal grey mongoose. Bird grey hornbill. Delhi. Animal Nilgai. Bird house sparrow. Jammu and Kashmir. Animal Hangul. Bird black-necked crane. Lakshadweep. Animal butterfly fish. Bird sooty tern. Puducherry. Animal palm squirrel. Bird koel. Please like and subscribe us for more videos. Bye friends.